Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakas ngipalay jong katayo ula pentip ba kesorkar jela kan sapaan Ocean ni kijing ay jing mut cha Delhi hakabedai ba kijing pendunai ka khajna Goods and Services Tax GST ni kijing pelaj ka khajna na kimar kimata bedai ba kijing yakun ya ka klam COVID-19 haba pentip ru ba kesorkar kan second Ocean ba ni peliu jing mut halor kijing nang ailat ikinong syong bakin let chalaki kam kijam baki jutrei ban amban kya ya ka kamai kaji jomki. Kesorkar jela kebasyong jingelang hagani kesngi keletai sani halor kejingo khajna Goods and Services Tax GST yaki mar ki mata bedai begejing yakun nga klam COVID-19 nadu ki oksigen ki pulse oximeter hand sanitizer ki oxygen generator ventilator PPE N95 mask surgical mask bat kibai-kibai. Hagani kejingelang kesorkar kalarai baka kenhuan banelam do menteri rang bak kejela kan selit ban IT kejing ai jingmut Syadali haga pratrik ujeleu ban bo ikni kejing ai jingmut haga komiti belatau daga GST Council hau benai jemang. Kabadang syong bisyar kejing don kam ban pendunai ka khajna GST ne ban pelaj ka khajna nagi dawai COVID kitiar le atas bat kibai-kibai.
Almost all the items that were recommended by the Fitment Committee. And the basic principle that we followed in our discussion was number one, to see the benefits and the tax reductions that would give the benefit directly to the people. So therefore, items that were very much personal oriented, that the people or the patients would have to directly buy, we made sure that we could bring down the concessions and the rates to the amount maximum possible, so that in these difficult times maximum relief can be given. So that was one of the principles that we followed. The second, of course, was the fact we also looked at the issue of the rules and regulations and the laws based on which the council functions, and ensured that we stuck to the constitution and the provisions that are there in the GST Council. So that was the second aspect that we ensured that we followed. And third, of course, we tried to see and balance out the different aspirations of the different members of the council as well as the people at large. So based on that, large number of recommendations have been given, and there have been number of items in which we have recommended the rates to be reduced so that the people can directly get the benefit. I will not be able to share those numbers and details with you right now because these are only recommendations. Ultimately, these will be put into a proper report and then submitted to the council, and then the council will ultimately take a decision on this.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau la pentip ru bagi sorkar jela kan second Ocean bansong perkat alor kejing penjari ku hukum kang dam haba kemi bnia kejing long jingman ke bajah kejela na kejing len shop jong ka klam COVID-19. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagani ku hukum kang dam kelak tak jor bhai kinong syong snong kejela bat ke sorkar menta kadang syong perkat bat kaya keren ru na kapor ha ka bedai ba kejing ai song jingerap nalor banang ailat ban plie ki babon ki kam ki jam bagi pat ba kinyo ban trei ban keta. Uloong bagi sorkar kesngu thu bagadon kam ban ai kejing kersyan hakum kene kapor bamat jingkim. Nrei kejing kalong ba kejing yarap kan long ke babon ba namar hap nyarap ya baro kam tam bagajela kadon hap deng kejing kerdu pisah.
The challenge of also the finances that are there, which are not that great for the country as a whole. So keeping both these factors in mind, it's not very easy. It's something that obviously we would want to do, and it's something that the government must also try its best to do. And that's where, wherever it's been possible, we have tried to support. So whether it's through the MLAs, by releasing certain funds to them, so that they can then take care of the masses as and when they feel necessary at the grassroots level. So MLAs are doing that, taking care of their constituents. At the same time, we have also given freedom to MLAs in terms of even the SRWP. So number of steps like that where we are allowing, if necessary. Again, it's not a compulsion, but we are giving the option there, and according to situation, people will act. But at the same time, we have also seen that when it came to situations like the patients, the hospital expenditures, we have tweaked the entire MHIS system, and we've managed to increase or enhance the amount of support that they can get to a large extent. We've also decided to give relief of ex gratia to the next of kin. So there have been these small steps that we have done. At the same time, if you look at the entire economic activities, unlike last time where we just went for a complete lockdown and closure of everything, this time it was a very selective process where we tried to see how we could minimize the economic impact on the people. And therefore, to a large extent, agriculture, farming activities continued, but with restrictions. Some construction work continued with restrictions. For some time, it closed down. We allowed the MGNREGO work to continue in certain areas with restrictions, of course. So we tried to minimize the impact on the grassroots, but it's difficult times. So therefore, it's not easy for the people. We understand, but it's not also easy for the government also, though we would like to give all the support. We are doing our best, and let's hope that in the times to come, the situation will improve.
Hagani kasngi na kaliang jagilat patay kubor kila bor usibon kijing keli halor kijingja kibaja ha kajela kamtam nadu kijingja arngai kinong ti doyong ha umpleng ha district East Jante Hills kijingsha akan no don ketile be ijot wemle ke North Tura ubreiru nong aiboj jong menteri rangba bat kiwe ha kabede bat kijingsha akan no le be ijot jong nu MLA Thomas A Sangma menteri rangba kajela ulong bakaan kan sayat la kejong kelenti ha bakular bak sarkar kan pentikna bakan omdan kanu kijing tuklar halor kedekam Namar bagani kejing keno kadekakam Shimet menteri rangba ulong budan kejing sngo bak sarkar kamdei ban ajing kento AA halor kedekam Namar kadekabajaya ubrio Shimet ulong ba kejing tokit jengki pulit kan ya cekmat kenang ba kejing shisha kan pau perthai batlaban kedo hangne bau MLA ulasha keno le be ijat yakobe kelong keme kabal ujor ke ejahar ha superintendent ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills bapente bau MLA ulale be ijat ekana do ubnai kelalengkot kasnam arhajar arpho Laban kedau hangne bagi chairperson jong Assembly Committee for Empowerment of Women I Dr. Amperin Lengdo ila dawan ulam pang yang dorbar tauan kejela bandueng no ya kejinglong dekot jong nu MLA ke North Tura nabarok ki committee jong ke yang dorbar tauan kejela.
Yes, there was an FIR that was filed. This is of course a very personal matter. I don't feel it appropriate that we as a government should respond to it. It's something that has happened at an individual level, and from our side and as a government, the only thing we can ensure and assure is that law will take its own course. We will ensure that there is proper investigation that takes place. We will ensure that the truth comes out with proper investigation, and that there is no influence or no pressure from anywhere to in any way affect the investigation process. That's the only thing that the government can say from its side. But apart from that, as I said, it's if it happened to somebody else, then it would not have come out in this manner in the press. The person happens to be a political leader, but nonetheless still an individual and a citizen. And therefore, with that in mind, it is at an individual level. So whatever it is, the government has no comments on individual matters related to individual people. But from our side, what is important is to ensure that the law should be applicable in the same manner to everybody.
Hagabede bat gajingja arngai jogi nong ti doyong balas akut chapok ka krem doyong baslei umpleng haga district East Jante Hills. Menteri rangba kejelau la pentep ka sarkar kan salek de beteng kat kum kaan persya ki bria kebedan keti hakikam ti be anyu doyong. Ulong bah hakinu kinu ki kam be anhi ka sarkar kan omailat satya bat kan sepenan kami syabuk kaan pan ai kejing pensajaya ki. Ulong bah kejing don ki kendon anhi kamot ban khang ki bria ban le ki kam baman henrela da ki dang yai beteng. Kaan kam dai ban map satya yaki. Hagaju kapor menteri rangba ula pentip ban kaliang sarkar kelabata ki bod district East Jante Hills bakin penon kam yakat ki badan kilat ban yo sei ki met jogi nong ti doyong ki basa akut hakane ka krem.